Hello and welcome to this video demonstration. My name is Amanda. I'm from the University of North Texas COI Information Research and Analysis Lab. Today I'm going to walk through the SPSS solution to regression commonality analysis provided by Dr. Kim Nimon in her 2010 MLRV paper. You can find this article on our website or through Google Scholar. So to get started, scroll down to the third page. It should be page number 12. And you'll see here towards the bottom of that page that Dr. Nimon has provided a web link where you can download the syntax that will conduct not only a regression commonality analysis but also an all possible subsets regression, which has been added since this publication. So to get started, go ahead and click on this link and then click Allow to bypass the Adobe Acrobat security warning. And this script will open in one of two ways. One way is that you will see a dialog box asking you to save the SPSS script file. If you get that, go ahead and save it to your working directory. The other way is that you'll get text like I have here. Either way is fine. We can work both ways. There are just some extra steps if you have the text on here. So if you do get this text, we just need to select it, copy it, and then put it into an SPSS script file. So to do that, I'm going to right click and select all. Control A will also do this for you. And then we'll right click again and copy, or Control C will accomplish that as well. Then we'll open up SPSS, go to File, New, and then down to Script. Make this a little bit bigger so that we can see. And I'm going to delete this stuff that automatically comes up when you open a script file because we don't need it. And then I'll need to paste the stuff that we just copied from Dr. Nimon's webpage. To do that, I'll just click in this white space, right click and paste, or you can do Control V as well. So if earlier you got the dialog box asking you to save the script file when you open that web page, just open up SPSS, go to File, Open, Script, and then you'll get the dialog box asking you to find that document and go ahead and open it just like you would any other file. So once you have the script open, we just need to run it. To do that, I'm going to go to Edit, select all, and then to run all of this script, we're going to go to this play button right here. We'll push that, and we'll begin our commonality and all possible subsets analysis. So the first thing the script will do is ask you for your data set. In this walkthrough I am using the same data set as the Nimon 2010 demonstration. The data is based on Thompson 2006 if you would like to know more about it. For our purposes, I'll just demonstrate how to conduct the analyses and save the interpretation and all of that for the Nimon 2010 and the Thompson 2006 papers. So find your data set, click on it, and click on Open. Next, the script will ask you for your output set name. So for our purposes, I'll call it example. This doesn't really matter. You can use any name you want. Just don't exceed 8 characters. This script does have an 8-character limit, so it's good to get in the habit of keeping your names at 8 characters or less. So here we'll call it example and then click OK. Wants to know our dependent variable name, which in this case we kept things simple. Our dependent variable is y. And next we'll enter our independent variable names. So in this case they are x4, x5, and x7. So we have 3 independent variables and they are all separated with a space. And again, the variable names are fewer than 8 characters, just to make sure that we don't have any problems running the script. So when we're ready, we'll click OK. And then we'll see SPSS opening some windows, closing some windows as it performs the various computations. So give it a second to do that. And then you'll see when it kind of slows down that it has finished its calculations. So what this does for you, it's going to create a couple of data sets, and they will be in your working directory, so you need to go there. So mine is under Amanda and then stats, and here we can see that I have 3 new data sets that I didn't have before. The first one is my all possible subsets regression results, and then I have commonality results in 2 different formats. So just to show you, I'll open up the all possible subsets results, and again, this has been added since the 2010 publication, so you won't see this part of the walkthrough in that paper, but here you can see results from regression with only x4, only x5, only x7 with the corresponding r-squared, and then you have your combinations and then your full model r-squared. Then we have the example CC by variable, which this is your commonality results. If you are following along with the Nimon 2010 paper, these results are found in table 2. So if we open this up, you can see our 3 predictor variables, x4, 5, and 7. You can see the unique variance for each of those, the common variance associated with them, and then the total by variable. And finally, we have the example commonality matrix, which is table 1 from the Nimon 2010 paper. So here you can see our commonality results in a slightly different format. So we have the explained variance unique to x4, 5, 7, the coefficients and the corresponding percentages, and then we have the variance that's common to the various combinations, and then we have our total variance explained. Well, that about does it for this video demonstration. Again, my name is Amanda. I'm from the University of North Texas COI Information Research and Analysis Lab. You can visit us at our webpage. The address is www.coi.unt.edu/IRA lab. On our webpage, you can find out more about us, you can see our hours, schedule an appointment to come talk to me about your research. We have a couple of these demonstration videos on here under How To, as well as a whole host of both qualitative and quantitative research resources. So feel free to take advantage of that, and thanks again.